speed. Let's bring it up to 125. And you can see noticeably brighter. Sorry, I got both cars in the garage. Speed 180, ISO 400. Let's drop it down to 1400. Still looks like it's on, where this looks like it alternates. But if the brightness is okay, I'm okay with more of a peach turn signal in front. Bring up the speed to 1500. Speed 1000, ISO 400. They look even to me. This is yellow, speed still 1000, ISO 400. In person it looks like a little yellow-green, but these are the presets. Cranking down the speed to 1400 or something like that, or 4000, sorry. You can see a little more yellow tint to it, but they're looking nice and even. Speed 4000, ISO 400. This is green. Here's from about, bumper headlight level. Passenger looking good. Aqua, still same image settings. Looking good. This is blue. Still same video settings. Doesn't show off how nice it is. Let's adjust the speed. Reduce it to 1000. A little brighter. Still a hot spot since they're light tubes, if you will. Again, nice and even. Doesn't look too bad at all. 350. You can definitely tell it's more blue. Speed 350, ISO still 400. Purple. If I drop this, it looks much better in person. It looks more even. But if I increase, ooh, that's too much. Let's go to 500. See more of a purplish pink tone. But again, looking good. Speed 500, ISO 400. White, kind of a yellowish tint, but not in person. These look nice and bright. Now let's see what the turn signals look like. Okay, not perfect. That's okay. So here's this, where the right side you can see white and amber, where the passenger shuts off completely. So they kind of act like switchbacks, at least the drivers. So there. Oh. Okay. This is with the ignition on. Before I was running it off battery and the ignition was not on, and it looks to work correctly. Come back on to white. Passenger. Okay, so now let's put it on hazard. Okay, when I do hazard, it stays on and that one does not. I can live with that. That's only hazard. If I go back, turn that off. There, it blinked on, so turn signal off to switchback mode. Back on. Switchback mode. ISO 400, speed 500. Set it to green. Deleted favorites. Let's see if it remembers the mode. Again, I personally would rather just keep it on white, but I know some others might want to keep it on yellow. Turn it off. Okay, it remembers green. So, yeah, I guess whatever you set it in the app, fingers crossed, even when I disconnect this from complete power from there, it still remembers it, which is nice. Okay, right now I have it on pulsing to 7-color rotation. Have it on that mode, close the app. Let's see if it goes to green when I turn off the power and turn it back on. Nope. And it looks like, yep, it's going to go pulse to the mode. So it looks like when you're in the app, you set it to the color you want or the mode, close the app, then shut off your car, then it should stay. You can wire it into this fuse box. I'm not a big fan of it. Some of the switch, let me turn up the lighting. So I believe a couple of these were switched power. I tested it with these. I couldn't really get it since they're such a mini fuses. Personally, what I would do with the wiring, don't split this, leave that connected. I was just testing it. Run the wire, follow your hood latch cable here, easily pop off your side panel, and it's right, yeah, if you get a light in there, you will see the grommet for the hood latch where it goes through, and tap into the fuses